Arizona 488, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizona 488.
Arizona 164, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizona 164, yeah. Kilo Tower, Arizona 462, right, Charlie 1, ready for departure.
Arizona 477, Deer Valley Tower, right down departure approved, runway 7 right for takeoff.
Right down departure, right, Arizona 463.
Valley Tower, Arizona 532, holding short runway 7 right, Charlie 1, ready for departure.
Arizona 532, Deer Valley Tower, right down departure approved, runway 7 right, full length, for takeoff.
Runway 7 right, ready for, clear for takeoff, Arizona 532.
Deer Valley Tower, 2 Whiskey Tango, setting up for left base, 7 right.
Sirius 872 Whiskey Tango, Deer Valley Tower, roger. Continue as instructed.
Continue to Whiskey Tango.
Deer Valley Tower, Phenom 168 Juliet on the visual to 7 right.
Phenom 168 Juliet, Deer Valley Tower, roger. Enter a wide left base to a 4-mile final for runway 7 right.
Alright, a wide left base to a 4-mile final for 168 Juliet for runway 7 right.
Deer Valley Tower, Bonanza 00 Whiskey, holding 7 right, Charlie 3, VFR departure to the north.
Bonanza 4300 Whiskey, Deer Valley Tower, fly straight out, runway 7 right at Charlie 3 for takeoff.
Straight out 7 right, clear for takeoff, clear to Whiskey.
Arizona 477 for exchange approved.
Frequency change approved, 477.
Here's 2 Whiskey Tango, runway 7 right to land.
7 right, clear to land, 2 Whiskey Tango.
Here's 2 Whiskey Tango, traffic into your left half mile, southbound base for the north side.
Look for traffic, 2 Whiskey Tango. Traffic side, 2 Whiskey Tango.
Phenom, 68 Juliet, you can start that southbound turn for your base, thanks.
Starting the turn now to base, 68 Juliet.
Bonanza 00 Whiskey, left turn on course approved.
Left on course, there's your Whiskey.
Pass on 212, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for landing traffic. Arizona 532, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizona 532.
Here's 2 Whiskey Tango, turn right 1 Able and contact ground.
Right 1 Able, over to ground, 2 Whiskey Tango.
Arizona 212, right down departure approved, runway 78, clip takeoff.
79, translate takeoff, right down with departure approved,
Phenom 68 Juliet, runway 78 to land.
Cleared land 7 right, 68 Juliet.
Bonanza 00 Whiskey, frequency change approved.
There's your Whiskey, steer to the north. Have a good day. Deer Valley Tower, Cherokee 53 Alpha Foxtrot, departing Scottsdale Airport, touch and both.
Cherokee 523 Alpha Foxtrot, Deer Valley Tower, right traffic, runway 78.
Right traffic, runway 7 right, 523 Alpha Foxtrot.
Deer Valley Tower has 869, southern right at turning 1, ready to
Arizona 869, Deer Valley Tower, right down departure approved, runway 78, clip takeoff.
Runway departure
Arizona 869, extend up when I'll call your turn.
Extend upwind has ATC 69.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 78, continue traffic holding in position. Right, continue, traffic holding in position.
Continue, traffic holding in position, 3 Alpha Foxtrot.
Valley Tower 515, holding short of 7 right at Charlie 1, ready for departure.
Arizona 515, Deer Valley Tower, runway 78, line up and wait as traffic downwind.
Line up and wait, Arizona 515, southbound.
Arizona 869, right turn on course approved.
Right now, approach has ATC 69.
Arizona 212, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 9 to 12.
Phenom 68 Juliet, stay parking.
cutter.
Vietnam 68 Juliet, turn right, Charlie 8, and taxi to cutter via Charlie 6.
Charlie 8, Charlie 6, 68 Juliet.
Arizon 515, right, downwind departure approved, runway 7 right, clear takeoff.
7 right, clear takeoff, right downwind departure approved, Arizon 515.
Arizon 8069, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizon 8069.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 7 right, cleared at touch and go, then right close traffic approved.
Perfect touch and go, runway 7 right, clear, right, traffic approved, 53 Alpha Fox. Foxtrot.
Deer Valley Tower, Aerosam 488, 10 mile west to Deer Valley, request with information, Foxtrot request touch and go.
Arizona 488, Deer Valley Tower, straight runway 7 right.
Straighting 7 right, Aerosam 488.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic up to the base, lands north side.
Deer Valley Tower, Aerosam 577, holding short 7 right at Charlie 1, ready for departure.
Arizona 577, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for landing traffic.
Deer Valley Tower, Arizona 859, Gen Solo, 10 to the west with Foxtrot, full stop.
Arizona 859, Deer Valley Tower, straight runway 7 right.
Straight in, 7 right, Arizona 859, Gen Solo.
Arizona 515, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizona 515.
Arizona 577 out, right downwind departure approved, runway 7 right, full length of takeoff.
Runway 7 right, clear for takeoff, Aerosam 577.
Tower King Air 3 Kilo Charlie, ready to go, 7 right.
King Air 33 Kilo Charlie, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for departing traffic.
3 Kilo Charlie.
Tower, good morning. Grumman 9525 uniform, Metro Center 2500, full stop, Southside Foxtrot.
Grumman 9525 uniform, Deer Valley Tower, fly northbound for a 4 mile straight in, runway 7 right.
Northbound for a 4 mile straight in, 7 right, Grumman 25 uniform.
Arizona 488, change to runway 7 left, contact tower 120.2.
Jason 7 left, change to 120.2, Arizona 488.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic running short of the runway at Charlie 3 is the King Air port site.
Target site 3 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic's about to depart, caution wake, turbulence, maintain visual separation from that wake, turbulence base will be your discretion.
Gotcha, wake turbulence, base at discretion, 3 Alpha Foxtrot.
King Air 3 Kilo Charlie, fly straight out, runway 7 right at Charlie 3, clear takeoff.
Fly straight out, clear for takeoff, runway 7 right at Charlie 3, 3 Kilo Charlie.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, caution wake, turbulence, runway 7 right, clear, touch to go.
Clear touch and go, 7 right, 3 Alpha Foxtrot.
Arizona 488, contact tower 120.2. Arizona 705, Deer Valley Tower, stand by. Arizona 705, right now departure approved, runway 7 right, to take off.
Right now, departure approved, runway 7 right, clear for takeoff, Arizona 705,
Arizona 577, frequency change approved.
Frequency change of Arizona 577.
Coming in at 25 uniform for sequence because you turn 20 degrees left.
20 degrees left, 25 uniform.
Arizona 153, Deer Valley Tower, fly straight out, runway 7 right, take off. Cherokee 3 Foxtrot, traffic opposite base, lands north side, I think it's Bonanza.
Arizona 158.
Arizona 859, number 2 fellow traffic, 1 mile ahead, turning final, runway 7 right to land.
Is it right way to land? We're looking for charter Arizona 859.
Going 25, uniform number 3 fellow Archer, 1 o'clock, 1.5 miles on final, runway 7 right to land.
Safe side, number 3 behind the Archer, clear to land 7 right, Grumman 25 uniform.
Can you hear 3 Kilo Charlie, left turn on course approved.
Left turn on course, 3 Kilo Charlie.
Can you hear 3 Kilo Charlie, frequency change approved. If you'd like to talk to Phoenix, their frequency in your vicinity is 120.7.
20.7, thanks, 3 Kilo Charlie.
Arizona 859, traffic heading to your left, lands north side, Archer.
Traffic into Arizona.
Arizona 153, right close, steps approved.
Right crossing approved, Arizona 150.
Going 25 uniform, traffic heading to your left, is the 1,000-mile base to the north side.
I got him in sight, 25 uniform.
Arizona 705, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Arizona 705, clear to go. Deer Valley Tower, Cessna 4714 for X-ray, just out of the Bravo transition with Foxtrot, looking to get a full stop for ramp 6.
This is 4714 X-ray, Deer Valley Tower, right traffic, runway 7 right.
Right, traffic 7 right, 1 for X-ray. Deer Valley Tower, 523 Alpha Foxtrot would like to request one more touch and go, then a departure out to the south.
Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, roger, continue right traffic.
Continue right traffic to Alpha Foxtrot.
Arizona 859, turn right Charlie 8, contact ground.
Charlie 8, contact ground, Arizona 859.
Arizona 153, number 2 follow traffic short final, runway 7 right, clear to go.
Runway 7 right, clear to go, we're about to.
Deer Valley Tower, Skylane 3582 Yankee is 15 to the west, inbound, full stop with Foxtrot, ramp 5.
This is 3582 Yankee, Deer Valley Tower, straight to runway 7 right.
Straight in, 7 right, 82 Yankee.
Arizona 108, Deer Valley Tower, straight to runway 7 right. Grumman 258 Uniform, you can go ahead and roll out to Charlie 10 if you'd like, then taxi straight for ramp at Delta 10.
Yeah, we'll take 10. We'll go straight in from there. 254.
Target 3 Alpha Foxtrot, number 2 full traffic 1 mile downwind ahead, runway 7 right, cleared touch and go. After touch and go, fly straight out.
Parking side to clear for touch and go, see 7 right.
Traffic ahead in sight, clear touch and go, runway 7 right, then fly straight out.
Airson 887, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for me.
Deer Valley Tower, Airson 488 with you, upwind 7 left.
Airson 488, Deer Valley Tower, right close, traffic approved, runway 7 right, 1 able, turn an early right crosswind.
Early right crosswind, right traffic approved, Airson 488.
Deer Valley Tower, Cap 230, holding short 7 right, Charlie 3, ready for departure.
Cap 230, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for landing traffic.
Cap 230, stand by.
Says 1 for X-ray, follow traffic heading to your right 2 miles on Archer on downwind.
Following traffic, 1 for X-ray.
Airson 153, extend upwind, I will fly your crosswind.
Extend upwind, you call our crosswind. 153.
Airson 153, right crosswind approved.
Right crosswind approved, 153.
Cap 230, fly straight out, runway 7 right at Charlie 3, just take off.
Clear for takeoff, 7 right at Charlie 3, straight out, Cap 230.
Airson 488, traffic supports prior to arrival, runway 7 right to land.
7 right, clear to land, Airson 488.
Says 1 for X-ray, number 2 Bell Archer ahead, runway 7 right to land.
7 right, clear to land, flying traffic, 1 for X-ray.
Airson 153, extend down on Sorry base. Airson 153, extend down on Sorry base.
Extend down when you call our base, 153.
Says an AT Yankee, number 3 follow south, they'll be on a closer in base, runway 7 right to land.
7 right, clear to land, number 3, A2 Yankee.
Turkey 3 Alpha Foxtrot, right turn on course approved.
Right turn approved, 5 Alpha Fox track.
1 for X-ray, turn base.
Turn to base, 1 for X-ray.
Cap 230, left turn on course approved. This says about a half mile to a mile ahead is going to Scottsdale.
Cap 230, left turn, and we're looking for the traffic. Cap 230 has your traffic.
Gap 230, roger. Cherokee 3 Alpha Foxtrot, frequency change approved. That's on 887, don't forget your call sign with every single transmission. Says AT Yankee, turn right Charlie 7 or Charlie 8 and contact ground.
Alpha Charlie 7, contact ground, AT Yankee.
Says AT Yankee, pass behind that stuff, so it's currently taxiing on Charlie. I also on 887, right now departure approved, runway 7 right, take off. I also 919, Deer Valley Tower, runway 7 right, line up and wait, traffic 1 off final. Cancel 153, turn base.
Turn base, Air Sun 153. Deer Valley ground, Scott Hawk 125 Tango Whiskey, holding short, Charlie 3, number 1.
So the 125 Tango Whiskey, Deer Valley Tower, stand by for landing traffic.
125 Tango Whiskey, holding short.
ASA 919, right down departure approved, runway 7 right, clip takeoff. ASA 108, runway 7 right to land.
7 right, and then also 10, execute student solo.
ASA 153, runway 7 right, continue traffic 1 in position.
Runway 7 right, continue traffic. Air Sun 153.
Deer Valley Tower, Sun 818, 11 west with Foxtrot, full stop.
ASA 818, Deer Valley Tower, straight runway 7 right.
Straight in Sun right, Sun 818.
Says 5 Tango Whiskey, runway 7 right at Charlie 3, line up and wait, traffic 3 mile final.
Line up and wait, 7 right, Charlie 3, 125 Tango Whiskey.
ASA 108, turn right Charlie 6 and contact ground. Says 5 Tango Whiskey, right down departure approved, runway 7 right at Charlie 3, clip takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 right, Charlie 3, right downwind departure, 125 Tango Whiskey.
ASA 153, traffic parts prior to arrival, runway 7 right, clear to go.
Runway 7 right, clear touch and go, Air Sun 153.